Hi, in case you don't know me, my name is Sheila. I'm a top seller and a prompt engineer. Welcome to another learning video, Style Parameter and how to use the Style Tuner in Midjourney. Don't forget to check out my e-learning links in the description and enjoy. In this module, we are going to learn what is the Style Parameter for V5.2, Style Parameter for Niji, and how to use the Style Tuner for personal styles. The Style Parameter replaces the default aesthetic of some Midjourney versions. Adding a Style Parameter can help you create more photorealistic images, cinematic scenes, or cuter characters. The version 5.2 and the previous have one Style Parameter, Style Raw. Style Raw have less automatic beautification applied, which can result in a more accurate match when prompting for specific styles. Niji version can use different aesthetics with style options. Niji has until now 4 styles. Style Cute creates charming and adorable characters. Style Scenic makes beautiful backgrounds and cinematic moments. Style Original uses the original Niji model, or Style Expressive has a more sophisticated illustrated feeling. Add the Style Parameter to the end of your prompt. In some cases, I like to use the Style Raw in version V5.2. Personalize the appearance of your Midjourney images using the Style Tuner. Use the /tune command in Midjourney to generate a range of sample images showing different visual styles based on your prompt. I will show you step by step. Step 1. Write a prompt using the /tune command instead of /imagine. For example, a beautiful house in the mountain. Step 2. Choose the number of image pairs you want to see in your Style Tuner. I usually use 16. Step 3. Click the Submit button and confirm. Step 4. Midjourney will send you a message. Open it and click the link to open your Style Tuner in your web browser. Step 5. Your Style Tuner will show rows of image pairs, each representing a distinct visual direction for your prompt. Click on the image you prefer in each pair, the left grid or the right grid. If you don't feel strongly about either image, leave the empty middle box selected. Step 6. Once you've finished your selection, click the Copy button to copy your original prompt and newly generated style code parameter. And Step 7. Return to Discord. Use the /imagine command and paste your copied prompt and style code into the prompt field. You will get images with the style you have chosen. Super, right? I'm a top seller and I'll be sharing weekly videos with examples of prompts at basic, intermediate, and advanced levels. It's great content. I'll also have a section for tips, advices, and much more. So hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so now. Subscribe.